Hello everyone. In this presentation, I'll be talking about our project, Quantum Machine Learning for Real-Time Cancer Diagnosis, and I'll be giving a brief about it. So our main goal here is twofold. First is to synthesize and characterize quantum dots, and second is to mainly use a hybrid quantum machine learning framework to automate cancer stage classification in real time. So I'll be starting with why we aren't using the traditional methods. So traditional imaging methods uses billions of photons which can damage living cells and can create noise that hides the tiny tumors. Detection is late here as these scans can only see large changes and medical dyes also fade away pretty quickly. So we use single photon sources, and the good thing about them is that here we are able to control the delivery of photons and send them on one by one so that they're completely regulated and not random. This way, we are also able to extract the maximum amount of information from the cell with minimum amount of noise. I'll now be talking about the synthesis and methodology. And this is where our quantum dots come into the picture. So we are using core shell dots engineered to a precise size of 15 to 20 nanometers, which lets us tune their light emission using the typical size effect I'll be talking about. So we code these dots with biological keys like antibodies that are designed to latch onto specific cancer cells. And when a laser excites the diodes, their physical interaction with the tumor shifts the light spectrum they emit. And this gives us incredibly clean optical data, which we capture using a high resolution CCD camera. As you can see on the right, the magic of quantum dots is that the color is entirely dependent on their size. So by tuning them to a specific diameter, we get a highly predictable fluorescent signal. I'll now be talking about the computational framework, which is hybrid. So to process this high dimensional data, we're using a hybrid computation approach. First, a classical convolutional neural network, acting as a filter, takes the heavy image data from the hospital and condenses it into key mathematical features. Then a quantum neural network projects those features into a high-dimensional quantum Hilbert space. So by tapping into quantum principles like superposition and entanglement, the system can analyze thousands of complex genetic and structural correlations all at once to give us an automated real-time stage classification. And to wrap things up, our project is currently in its initial design phase, and we are simulating our data pipeline using the real clinical data.